You don't need to shout louder. You just need proof. Proof turns whispers into authority. Proof turns doubt into desire. Proof turns maybe into yes. Welcome to day 26. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful secrets in business: testimonials, feedback, and proof. Proof sells more than personality. Proof sells more than followers. Proof sells more than confidence. Because when a woman sees someone like her getting results, she believes she can too. So this is where testimonials and feedback comes in. Why is proof the strongest form of marketing? People don't buy because you are good. They buy because someone else experienced your transformation. Proof reduces fear. Proof increases trust. Proof makes your offer feel safe. So even if you are a new business, proof gives you credibility, authority, trust, social influence. When proof enters the room, resistance disappears. For example, if you say, my program helps women create income, that's a statement. But if someone else says, I made my first 50,000 from her guidance, that's proof. Proof wins every time. The 4 types of proof you can use. Now, not all proof is the same, and you don't need big results to start. Like, there are different types of proof. You have testimonials, you have social proof, you have personal results, and you have demonstration proof. They explain their self, okay? Right? So, personal proof is all about before and after. Right? Your social proof is all about people commenting, like people commenting on your comment section. Oh, this changed my life. This helped me. I tried this out. It was so good. Right? So your testimonials are voice notes, screenshots, written messages. The demonstration proof is like showing what you teach. Right? If you teach digital products, show your own products. If you teach content, show your own content. Proof is everywhere. You just have not gathered it yet. Right? So, how to collect proof, even if you are new or you have no clients. Now, you don't need dozens of clients. You need evidence of transformation. Here's how you build proof from scratch. Now, give a free mini value, like 3 to 5 people, and gather results. The other time, I talked about how you can bring in your friends and family, right? Give them samples, give them your product sample, and ask them when they have used it, give them time to use, utilize, implement, and tell them, how did it work for you? Did you like it? Right? Gold mine, basically, right? So ask for feedback after every conversation. Screenshots your comments, your DM, use your own journey as a valid proof. Ask clients simple questions like, what changed you? Did you learn something? What did we solve? What are your results? Right? What results are you proud of? All right. Okay. So how to use proof powerfully in your content? Your proof shouldn't be hidden. It should be visible and it should be persuasive. Okay. That is what proof should be. It should be visible and persuasive. So now here are powerful ways that you can use your proof. You can use it in form of carousel posts. You can use it in your WhatsApp status. You can do it in reels. It can be on your website or your landing page. You can use it during launch. You can be on your Instagram story. Okay. People buy from what they see working. All right. So what if you feel scared or shy using proof? Many women feel afraid. They feel nervous. They feel that they're not big enough. They're not ready. They're not worthy. But hear this. Proof doesn't brag. Proof inspires. Proof reminds women that transformation is possible. Proof attracts your tribe. You're not showing off. You are showing evidence that your gift works. All right. So there are examples of weak versus strong proof. All right. Let's make it very practical. Okay. So let's talk about a weak testimonial. She's really good. I enjoyed the session. It feels very generalized. Right? It doesn't tell us anything. But when somebody wants to give you a strong proof, they'll say something like, I finally discovered the skill I can monetize. I now have clarity and confidence. Very, very transformational. It's short, but clear and concise and transformational. Okay? So, let's say a proof statement, right? Someone will say, you can say, clients love my program. Last week, 6 women joined and all 6 have already taken their first income action. This one what I just tell you now, it builds desire and it builds trust. Like the information is candid. Do you understand? So let's say you say something like, I taught someone how to create digital products. Okay, you taught the person. Okay, I've heard you. That's it. There's nothing, it's not telling me anything. But I say, I worked with a woman who had no confidence. Today, she created her first digital product outline in 20 minutes. Transformational, emotional, specific. It hits the nail, bag. No time wasting. Do you understand? All right, so what you're going to do today, right? Step 1, you're going to gather 5 to 10 screenshots of your DM, your comments, your messages, reviews, anything, right? Then step 2, extract one line of transformation from each of this. Step 3, post one proof on your WhatsApp or your Instagram. So there are other steps here of what the activities I want you to do today, but I'm going to post them in the description so that you can fully understand it. All right. Now, proof is the bridge between where your audience is and where they want to be. So your work transforms women, your work transforms people. Now it's time to show it, right? It's not all about the feelings. You have to show it. The world will begin to trust you when there's proof, not because you speak loudly, but because your impact speaks for you. Okay, so it's the end of our class today. Let's go into our affirmations. My results speak for me. My work transforms lives, and my proof attracts aligned clients. Okay, do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And also you can chat me up on Instagram if you have any questions. So if you are watching this on YouTube, that's okay. But those on Instagram, feel free to chat me up. Feel free to come into my DMs. I'm always available. All right, I'm here for you. Enjoy the rest of your day. Toodles.